If you have clicked on this video, you must think you are an underrated scratcher. But trust me, you are not. Well, even if you are underrated, putting your projects in studios like these won't get you views at all. Just think like a viewer for a second. Why would anyone visit this studio to find good games? I mean, there are a lot of studios on Scratch with really good games. So why would anyone search for this studio? Like underrated scratchers. Why would anyone? Now you might say,
But see, there are so many curators and managers in this studio. This must be getting views. Also, look at the project count. This really gets a lot of attention.
no. This makes it seem like the studio is getting a lot of attention. But in reality, that attention is useless. I mean, it does get attention, but the attention is from you guys. You guys think putting your projects in this studio will get you views. And so you put all of your projects in this. And just imagine there are 20 scratchers putting 5 projects. So there will be like 100 projects in this studio. So imagine getting a view. Like even if someone like opens the studio, do you think your project will be selected? Out of hundreds of projects, everyone here is just for getting views on their Scratch projects, not because they want to play any games. If you think I'm talking nonsense, just look at these view counts. I hope you understand now. So just stop doing this and try this instead. Thank you for watching.